My name's Hayden Garrett and I live in South California and the city's Corona. Because of the water shortages in California, we decided to get the front lawn replaced with a desert landscape, which we thought would be much more economical and eco-friendly. We looked at several contractors and Novell turned out to be the best options, so we went with them. Yeah, the job in hand was taking up all of the front lawn and replacing the shrubbery and bushes and the normal things you find in a front yard with gravel and mulch. So we replaced all the watering landscape with a dry landscape. We found the guys from Novell to be very attentive. They led us through step by step. They also gave us a good account of what was going on and were very professional in their attitude, so we decided to go with them. They did a super job just over a day's work to relay the pipes and also to lay the gravel and the mulch down. So they were really good, really professional. No complaints about their work at all. It was really a top-class job. Yeah, I'd certainly recommend Novell to do this job for anybody because they were very quick, very professional, and they listened to what we needed.